How's it going, everybody? Nathaniel from RCInsight here, and today I'm going to be unboxing the Apple Magic Mouse. This is in the space gray color to match my space gray M1 MacBook Pro. So got this as a Christmas gift today. Very excited to open it up and take a look at it because the color here looks beautiful. So let's open it up. Just like that, the plastic is off, so let's slide the lid off and take a look at what is inside here. There we go. Oh, look at that. That is gorgeous. Gorgeous. You can see my camera setup and the reflection there. Oh, this is so clean. Now, I assume that it's just the mouse that comes in the packaging. There he is. Oh, there's a little instruction book here, and also a lightning cable. Here's what comes in the box, and I should just mention, typical Apple packaging, very nice, simple box, easy to open up, nice and compact, so really nice packaging as always. And then in the box you get the mouse, the lightning cable in black, which is a very nice touch to get the lightning cable in black, and just an instruction book. And that is all that comes when you get a Magic Mouse. Really excited to hook this up to my laptop because I'll actually be able to game on it now. Cannot game with the touchpad. Really, really excited to use this. It looks so cool. I don't even want to touch it just because it looks so clean. I mean, you can see the reflection of the ceiling, the room I'm in. You can see me waving. So clean looking, don't even want to touch it. But really, really beautiful looking mouse, as you can expect with Apple. I really like that you've got someone that is a different color here. Now, this is actually a black mouse, not a space gray, so I should mention that. I assumed it was space gray. I mean, I think it is. Yeah, it is still the space gray color on the bottom, but the actual top touch area is black and very reflective. Really, really like this. Probably won't be reviewing it, but I did want to unbox it just to talk about it. And hey, if I love it and it's somehow different than one of the other Magic Mouses, maybe I'll review it. But that is this video, guys. This is what you expect when you are getting a Magic Mouse from Apple. Love the color here. Same packaging as always. If you want to see more tech unboxings, reviews, videos like this, then subscribe so that you can see those as soon as they come out. I've got some others coming soon, including a review of my Anker 7-in-1 port, which is a fantastic addition and needed for my MacBook Pro. And other than that, if you like this video, guys, please leave a like on it down below to show your support, and I'll see you in the next one.